he do that? Why? Female is not someone who has been used for something. They are also human beings. They are also human beings. Confidence doesn't come with the dress. So cold as confidence is.
Wow!
Confidence doesn't come with the dress. Confidence doesn't come with the beauty. By applying the lipstick. No, it doesn't give the courage. Courage comes from inside. Courage comes from inside. What was my fault? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I just said no. Okay.
My dear brothers and sisters,
My dear brothers and sisters,
let me tell you.
let me tell you.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती झांसी वाली रानी को।
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती झांसी वाली रानी को।
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती
लेकिन
हैं,
मैं भूल नहीं सकती अपनी माँ को।
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती अपनी माँ को।
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती सिंधु ताई को।
Ladies and
जेंटलमैन,
gentlemen,
कमजोर वो हैं
कमजोर वो हैं
जिनका कमजोर है। कमजोर वो हैं
कमजोर वो हैं
जिनका कमजोर है।
जिनका कमजोर है।
So everybody can speak something or the others, but here this presentation is on only and only expression, guys.
It's beautiful to be beautiful.
What?
But look at my hand. It's shivering today. Why? Nowadays, it's not beautiful to be beautiful.
Yes.
It totally changed my life, my future, my confidence, my career. No one wants to look at me because I am looking not beautiful enough. It is wrong, sir, to be beautiful. It is wrong, man, to be beautiful. It is wrong to say someone no. No, no, no.
No, no, no.
To be say someone no. It is wrong. Someone threw acid on my face.
Right.
It is my choice to say someone no. Everyone judge me. Everyone give me a name. Victim, Bechari, Badsurat, Lachar. No one understood me. No one helped me, supported me. You can't understand my pain that I felt in my life at that moment. When someone attacked, when someone threw acid on my face. There are so many girls who want to be beautiful, so they can become what they dream. But no one wants to be beautiful, only to become a victim. What was my fault? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I just said no.
Wow!
That one word changed my entire life. It snatched away my career. It snatched my everything that I had hoped for. It is not easy. It is not possible to easily forget what happened to me
My God!
and start living a free and normal life. a life peacefully. I wept my tears and taken oath for all those girls who become victim like me. I raise my voice for all those girls who dare to become, who dare to dream, so their dreaming never turns them into victim. I lost my face. I lost my face to acid. But I found my strength in survival.
Aye, hey,
That's all.
Wow. Wow. And it was beautiful to see this beautiful girl. And it was beautiful to see beautiful performance. It was beautiful to see beautiful act. It was beautiful to see these beautiful tears. It was beautiful to see the beautiful ladka. He attacked, right? It was, by the way, act, but you did well job. Fantastic. But sit down, please. Your competitor is gonna come to compete, and let's see. We have 1+, right, guys?
Yes,
sir. But only one thing that you have to ignore, guys, that she made a mistake. Everything went well, but in starting, her voice was suppressed a lot.
Yes, sir.
Continuous, बहुत दबी थी, बहुत ज़्यादा दबी ना हो, बहुत ज़्यादा दबने से ना clarity नहीं आ पाती है. So please, ज़्यादा suppress. Who wanna compete? Here, let's see.
Shield. What comes in your mind when I talk about a shield? What comes? What comes? Protection. And what comes in your mind? Protection. One teacher, one child, one pen, one book. This was quoted by Malala Yousafzai.
Oh yes.
Because she might have faced some problem. That's why she gave this quote to everyone. Hey everyone, this side is Hira, and I would like to thanks to everyone, my mentor, my guide, founder of Well Talk Institute, has given me this stage to be more expressive so that I could express, I could give the message to the society. Give power to the girls. Give power to the girls. Give them education. Education is something which can make them feel secure. This life, people are not very kind of soft. People are not kind. People are not kind when you are not educated. When you are not educated, you will be suppressed everywhere. You will be voice. But what I went through, whatever the challenges I faced, I'm not going to tell those stories, because those stories, those scenes, those failures makes me too stronger to raise the voice. Your education should be multiplied. I would like to call some girls from here. You please come here. Hey, you please come here. You please come here. If I'm saying, please listen, they are not listening to me. When I multiplied my education with them and I come here, come who are they? They will not listen to us. Who are they? They will not. No girl can do anything, but when we become power, we can do everything. Don't misuse your education, your dress. People say that confidence comes with that clothes.
No.
People say confidence comes with the makeup.
Yes.
I do have lot of dresses. Yes. I don't wear. Yes. I just want to see people reaction what kind of dress I wear. I do have lot of dresses. I belong to very prosperous family. But knowingly I wear such kind of to see the reaction. They give the importance to the knowledge, or they give the importance to makeup or to the dresses. Confidence doesn't come with the dress. So cold as confidence.
Wow!
Confidence doesn't come with the dress. Confidence doesn't come with the beauty. Yes. By applying the lipstick. Yes. No, yes. It doesn't give the courage. Courage comes from inside. Courage comes from inside. Your life must have a purpose. So please, everyone, be unite. Unite has the power. That's all.
Wow! Wait, please, wait. Great confidence. First of all, tell me, which energy drink did you drink today? You made her drink?
He was about to come, then I said I will come.
Oh, you spoke the best because of her.
Yes.
So she's winner. So both did well job. But one is winner. I'm speechless to announce.
Yes, sir. Both are great.
Because of expression, what I saw is Miss Hera started having expression from the gratitude only. That was a problem. And the second problem, because of a louder voice, you must have noticed that some clarity was not there.
Yes, sir.
In between, later on when she relaxed, then we were able to understand. But in between, some of the words were not clear. She was speaking well, but because of louder voice and screaming, we couldn't understand something. Right? And here, because of suppressed voice in starting, we were not able to understand. So both were having unclear points, like they were not having articulation in some of the things. But in terms of expression, in terms of modulation, in terms of confidence, one person is winner, and she is Sakshi Kapoor. Please sit down. Sakshi did well job, but did you see the level of expression? From here to here. Great, fantastic. Now, I want Hera to present any speaker from this group for a great expression, for a great confidence. Please build confidence and compete these people. Who wants to come?
Wow. Hey, don't touch me. No. Please, someone save me.
दो, कुछ भी।
अरे भाग।
नहीं छूने दे रही तो हम क्या करें?
Please, 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 don't touch me, please.
Oh my God.
Why he touched me? Why? 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 Why he touched me? Why? I made the whole clothes. My clothes are not short. Why? I am someone's daughter. I am someone's sister. Why? No one speaks. No one saves me. I am keep shouting. I am keep shouting. You are such a lie. You don't even notice that someone is raping a girl and you are crossing through it. How can you do this? How? If that is your, if she is your sister, mother, do you still do that? Do you still do that? You save your sister, you save your mother, you save your daughter, but you don't save others' daughter, you don't save others' sister, because this is, in your mind, this is none of your business. Why we always say that teach your daughter to be behaved well? Why we always say that? Why? Teach your son to respect girl. Teach your son to do respect towards the girl. I gonna register case. I gonna register case. I have to stand up for myself. No one stood for myself. I have to, because they all are cowards. They don't even know how to respect girls. Girls, I want to say something. Please convey this message to all of them. Don't teach your daughters to be covered, to be oh my God. Don't teach your daughters. Teach your sons that how to respect a girl, how to respect someone's sister, how to respect someone's mother. We don't even let go someone's mother. We abuse. Every time we abuse with some female words. Why we do that? Why? Female is not someone who has been used for something. They are also human beings. They are also human beings. I am telling you that they give knowledge to your daughters how to stood up for themselves, because they don't, वो किसी की मोहताज नहीं है. उनको सिखाओ कि कैसे खुद के लिए खड़े होते हैं. Knowledge, give knowledge that if someone is touching you, if someone is trying to rape you, just stood up for yourself and make revenge. Take revenge, because you are not someone who has have taken advantage for. I have a humble request, dear girls. Educate yourself. If you are not educated, this whole world will harass you, take advantage of you. And if you are not stood up of yourself, no one will come to save you. So stand up for yourself, dear
be शर्मसारी.
Don't be शर्मसारी.
संस्कारी, 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 संस्कारी.
संस्कारी, संस्कारी, संस्कारी.
That is okay.
That is okay.
My dear brothers and sisters,
My dear brothers and sisters,
let me tell you.
let me tell you.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती झांसी वाली रानी को.
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती झांसी वाली रानी को.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती
लेकिन
हैं,
मैं भूल नहीं सकती अपनी माँ को.
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती अपनी माँ को.
मैंने सुना था
कि
लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकती
सिंधु ताई को.
सिंधु ताई को.
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,
कमजोर वो हैं
कमजोर वो हैं
जिनका कमजोर है. हाँ, कमजोर वो हैं
कमजोर वो हैं
जिनका कमजोर है.
जिनका कमजोर
सॉरी नहीं, कमजोर वो हैं, बोले कमजोर वो हैं
कमजोर वो हैं
जिनका कमजोर है.
जिनका कमजोर है.
अरे जोर लगा,
जोर लगा,
थोड़ा शोर लगा,
तेरा शोर लगा,
तेरा स्रोत बढ़ेगा,
तेरा शुरूआत
तेरा
बढ़ेगा,
ग्रोथ बढ़ेगा.
तेरा विरोध बढ़ेगा.
बाय.
बाय.
Guys, a very great message to all the boys. To all the boys. हाँ, अब एहसास हो रहा है कि लड़कियां कितनी नौटंकीबाज हैं. In the night, I miss you. People do that. So I think here, dear my sister, she must be doing that. But girls are great actress.
Yes, sir, really.
You're doing well. It is actually an expressional class, so it's fine. The way you're doing, it is really appreciable. Who is there to do better than her? Don't be hopeless. Don't be hopeless. You can do better than her.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, sir, giving me this opportunity. I want to talk about my topic, traveling. Traveling.
Oh my God!
Traveling make us feel very excited.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God, Sonam!
Get the explore new place by traveling.
Yes!
Traveling is most important.
Yes.
Without traveling, you cannot enjoy your life.
Yes!
We cannot learn study. You can learn traveling. Traveling
by
is
traveling.
most important. It's the way you can see the world.
Yes!
Traveling.
Whoa! Whoa!
Traveling is most important. Thank you.
Wow! ये कौन सिखाया था?
Yes.
Wow! Who taught you? Prasan?
No sir, Himanshu bhaiya.
Himanshu taught. Wow! So tell me who is winner? Palak. Palak. Okay. So both did well job, and she's beginner actually, right? Then too she did well job, but the winner is of course Miss Sonam. Actually, both are winners, but the plus will go here. She was in the depth of expression, right? Now, a representative of this group.
I want to study, mother. Please give me opportunity. I want. I also have a dream. I also want. But mother, family are not listen. Why are not listen? She is always crying. Everyone not listen. Her. Why? Why? Why always suffering problem? Why not boys? I'm not against the boys. But you listen, the girls. Girls also want to do something our nation, to do something our family. Finally, I got 98%. Finally. My father proud on me. I'm really happy. Guys, I got 98%. After I tell my father, he proud on me. I'm damn sure. I'm damn sure. Where's my father? Where's my father? Papa? Papa, I got 98%, Papa.
What happened?
Papa, I got 98%.
Oh my God, it is good, my
Papa,
daughter.
see, Papa, I don't believe, Papa.
Yes, it is good. It is good, my daughter. It is. I am prideful.
Papa, I want to study more, Papa.
But beta, not you will go outside.
Why?
What
Why?
will society say me?
Society say that your daughter got succeed.
No, my child, no. No, you will go outside.
See this, Papa. I am so
Yes,
brilliant student, Papa.
I am prideful, my daughter. I am prideful. But society is not.
Why are you not even understanding me?
Society is not.
Why?
Don't cry, my child.
No!
Don't cry.
Is this your love towards me?
I loves my
No.
family. I loves
No.
you, daughter. I love
I want to study more.
my daughter.
Please don't
silence.
take away my right
No.
to study.
After time, I will not waste your money. No. I will get after time. I will get married. Please come.
No! I want to study more. I want to make
No!
you proud.
You not respect me.
I respect you, but you
What
are
is
not
your father?
respecting my decisions, Father.
What will you
Say
society say me?
See this.
She didn't understood. What about your father?
Mommy.
What about your father?
Please
Not
try to
respect, nothing.
understand it. Please. Please. I want to study. I want to study. Please.
Let her do what she wants.
Yes, I am understood.
Try to understand.
But society
You didn't understand me. At least I didn't understand her.
not understood. Society.
What
not
society
accept
did?
my
You
daughter.
have to do did something.
All society is saying, your daughter, you will go outside or enjoy the life.
अरे मुझे नहीं करने दिया तो उसे तो करने दो.
It is not important.
You are not listening to me.
Shut up!
You are not listening to me, Father. I respect you a lot, but you are not respecting my decision. I am going.
You know.
I am going. I am going.
You not respect. What about the father? What about the mother? What about the father? What about the mother? Not respect. Not anything.
Don't cry.
Guys, I just want to.
I am understood, my daughter.
No!
But people is not understood.
What are you thinking that I got ran away?
I am understood your feeling.
You're not.
Society, you not understood.
You are not. You don't believe me.
I believe
You
me.
think that I got ran away with a boy or something? You don't.
I not say
Just
something.
because of relatives, you just.
You not respect me. What about the father? What about the mother?
And what about my dreams?
Nothing father, nothing mother. What happened? What about me?
today, the way you have shown the level of confidence, the level of voice, the level of speaking, the level of expression, the level of modulation, the level of flexibility, the level of, facial expression, the level of body language, the level of, vibration. It is really, I don't have words to appreciate you girls. And everybody, no, your boy, right? Yeah, she was saying in the act, छूने नहीं दे रही कह रहे सर पलक छूने नहीं दे रही है, बताइए. अच्छा हर मैसेज बस हम गर्ल्स, राइट?
इधर आ ऊपर.
हम भी हैं.
Yes sir.
हम हैं.
हम हैं.
हम हैं.
हम हैं.
क्या किसी से कम है?
क्या किसी से कम है?
हम हैं.
हम हैं.
हम में दम है.
हम में दम है.
थैंक यू.
वाओ. अरे रुकिए, हम भी थोड़ा बोलेंगे. हम हैं. और हम क्या किसी बम से कम है? जहां भी बोलेंगे बम का काम करेंगे. हमारे अंदर फायर है.